In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Calendar invite in Gmail. This is a quick way to schedule time with others without leaving your inbox, and it ensures everyone gets a proper calendar invite with all the details they need. Start by opening Gmail and confirming you're signed into your Google account. From your inbox, click Compose to open a new message. Add your recipients, write a clear subject line, and include any context you want in the message body. This email will carry the event summary, so a brief note about the purpose of the meeting can be helpful. Now look at the toolbar at the bottom of the Compose window for the calendar icon. It looks like a small calendar. Click it to create an event. If you don't see it right away, expand the toolbar or widen your Compose window. Sometimes it's tucked away depending on your screen size. A pop-up or sidebar appears with the event details. Give your event a clear title so guests immediately know what it's about. Set the date and the start and end time. Take a moment to confirm the time zone. If you work with people in different regions, it can prevent mix-ups. Add a location if you're meeting in person, or leave it blank if you'll add a video link. Use the description or notes field to include an agenda, links, or anything participants should review beforehand. You can also adjust reminders or notifications so you get alerted at the right time. These can be personalized, and guests will receive their own invitations and reminders based on their settings. Add guests by typing their email addresses into the guest field. Gmail will suggest contacts as you type, which saves time. If you need a virtual meeting, click Add Google Meet to create a video conferencing link automatically. This places the link right in the event and in the email summary. Take a moment to review all the details: title, date, time, location or meet link, description, and guest list. When everything looks good, click Save or Create. Gmail will insert a concise event summary into your email, showing the key information at a glance. Send the email as you normally would. Your recipients will receive the message with the calendar invite attached, and they can accept, decline, or mark maybe from their own calendars. After sending, you can track responses directly in Google Calendar by opening the event and checking who has responded. That's it. Your invite is created, sent, and easy to manage from Gmail and Calendar.